Mildred Mumanyi ase oroboti ururekeranu kurase kaunti ya Kisii togotigana nayo nigo mukonyi b'omurayi bw'ensere Gachagua aenekeirie abakenya buna serikali yabo nechikuru gusira ase chi university eriogusira omurobere bw'ekisemi nabo igokoenekia buna abasae banyorera mabaga y'emirimo ekero bakurire chi university okwana ase university ya Dedan Kimathi nigo boigo aboria chi university gochamo na kubwaterana nebyombe ao nenchira yemo yokorwania emichanderi ekoreto kubwatikana no gochencha kwerire.
His Excellency President William Ruto and I will offer the requisite support to our learning institutions, development partners and friends in creating jobs and other opportunities for the people of Kenya. I also seize this opportunity to thank the United States government for the support and partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, under our plan, we promise to create 100,000 kilometers digital superhighway. To establish and reap the benefits of the fifth industrial revolution, we need the best technology. STL and the Dedan Kimathi University of Technology have shown us that we have all that it takes. Best technology is no longer a trickle down from the developed world. With the manufacturing of semiconductors and other forms of information in Kenya, we have disrupted the status quo with bottom-up flow of technology. We are proving to the world that we are not only consumers, but also producers of top-notch technology. As we struggle with climate change, drought, food and water shortages, and other forms of challenges, I encourage the STL and Dedan Kimathi University of Technology to work closely with key players, especially in the agricultural value chain, for improved production.